It's the moment each of these children, spouses, and parents have been waiting for.
I'm here to see both of my uncles.
We just can't even express how excited we are.
Come home. I love you. Come home.
Hundreds gathered at Malmstrom Air Force Base Wednesday for the return of the Red Horse units, who have been in Afghanistan since late summer. For many, the deployment wasn't easy.
It was hard at the beginning, and then we started to pull through.
I've got great friends that have been supportive through the whole thing. And that's the only thing that's getting me through.
And now, the wait is over. But these men and women have a lot to celebrate alongside reuniting with their loved ones. The 819th and 219th squadrons completed successful missions in 11 locations across Southern Asia.
We did about 60 projects worth almost $45 million, ranging from airfield pavements to vertical construction, as well as well drilling all across southern Afghanistan. Did a phenomenal job doing just what they're trained to do. Frankly, a mission that no other unit in the Air Force is trained to do like these guys do.
Thanks to the amazing support system back home in Montana, the homecoming is that much more special.
It's an amazing feeling. She's just so big. You're so big and awake.
I'm still in shock still. So, I mean, it's the best feeling that I've ever had.
In Great Falls, Ashley Korsland for Montana's News Station.